Hello there, citizen of America, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can open a Bank of America's bank account by sitting at the comfort of your home online. So follow the step and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. First step, you want to search for open Bank of America bank account and click on where it says open a bank account online today, Bank of America. Just make sure it takes you to bankofamerica.com. Once you're in this website, enter the zip code of the place where you live, click on go, and on the next step, scroll a bit down over here and you want to click on go. Now over here, you want to choose what type of account you want. I want a saving account, so I'm going to choose Bank of America saving. And over here, click on open now and click on where it says go to application. And over here, it's going to ask you for your information like your first name, and then you enter your last name. If you have a middle name, you can enter it. You need to choose a suffix and you need to enter your date of birth over here, just like I'm doing. And over here, you need to enter your contact address, like the place where you live over here. So I'm gonna enter where I live. I live in London. And if you have a second address, you can enter that as well. Just fill up all this information which it asks you over here. Click on continue. After this, it's gonna ask you for your account setup, and then it's gonna ask you to agree to its terms and service. Then it's gonna ask you to review your form and submit. After submitting, your account should be created within a day or two. All right. So that's how you guys can create a Bank of America account online. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.